Welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video I want to create the Galaxia with you into your bullet journal, and we are also going to add some Dutch doors. Here's what you need. First of all, your bullet journal. I use the scribbles that matter. You use whatever suits your needs. Then the zebra mild liner, a coin, some pencils, a micron fine liner, a rubber, a Stabilo fine liner, and a ruler. So now let's get started. So first of all, I draw the planets here on the left side and on the right side. I have separated the whole pages into 3 per page, and the Sunday will go bottom right, so Saturday and Sunday share a space because I usually don't have that much to do on a Sunday and on a Saturday. So, and the coins turn into the planets, and they also get these typical rings around, and I write inside the number of the day. So now I draw some stars and more planets around the weekdays, and I do that on every weekday because I think it looks nice, especially when it's later a little bit colored. So, but for now I just use my pencil so I can rub everything off. It felt a little bit strange to take a scissor and cut into my bullet journal, but okay, I can do that, and nothing happened. So you actually know you can do that without any worries that other pages go out. I just get that out, the top and the bottom, and you can of course make it in the size you want it. I have that size, and now I'm going to do the exact same size behind it, so I have 2 Dutch doors in my bullet journal. But to make it look a little bit different, you can of course make it bigger or smaller, or you can make it longer. So there are some options you have, but make sure you draw it before you start cutting, so just to make sure it's all straight and aligned. So now I draw the planets on the other side with my coin, and you see now they're at 3, and as I said, I will make Saturday and Sunday share a space in that place, and then I add the numbers of course and the rings around it, and I draw the numbers so they are coming out a little bit more. You will see that in a second. So first I want to fill the Dutch doors. Make sure you have thought about what you want to add on your Dutch doors before you start cutting, before you have 2 Dutch doors and you just need 1 actually. So I have a calendar, I have a hydro tracker, I also have the focus of the week, which I always really like to have. And you know, you can have that, you don't need to of course, so it's totally up to you if you get all that into your bullet journal or not. Okay, I finally grabbed my micron fineliner and I'm going over the days of the week, so Monday, Tuesday and so on, and using a fineliner for that. But for the planets I'm going to use the Stabilo pen because that looks much better. And I also draw around the numbers once again so they have a little bit white space and come out more. I show you that in a second. So here you see how it turns out when I color the planets in black. I know they are not black actually, but it really comes out nicely when I do so, and the white of the days comes out as well. You can of course do it differently, but first have a look at my completed spread. Maybe you like it as well. So now you see me coloring the stars, and I use yellow and I also use black, so I have some variety inside, and I have smaller and bigger stars, and I think it looks nicely. So now I will fill the Dutch doors, maybe not everything yet, but you will see how it turns out once I'm done. So here's my completed spread. This is how it looks now, and I really like it. Yeah, you know, it's up to you how you fill all your pages, but I haven't filled everything out yet, because especially with the hydrate part, I can, maybe cheat a little bit. So here you go, here's my spread. I really hope you like it, and I really hope you like the video, and maybe you leave me a subscription here, maybe you subscribe to our channel and leave us a thumb up, and if so, please look out for the next video, and I hope to see you then. Until then, bye.